Hi guys, welcome back to this video, and today we'll be doing a quick DIY video and I'll be making a textured vase. So I'll begin by choosing a color I wasn't sure, and finally I picked one, and I'll be mixing baking soda, that's baking soda, and the paint to form a paste. And remember to protect your surface. And guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, and also comment. It really helps with the growth of my channel. So let's continue. Out of curiosity, I decided to add another color to the mixture. Now that we have a good consistency, I'm going to start painting, and this is the first coat, so I'll just make sure that everything is covered and then I let it dry and add a second coat. And guys, remember, at the end of this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to style it. Since I want a really textured piece, I'm going to repeat this continuously. I'm not going to let it dry. This is the end product. I love it. It gives off aged vibes. Let's go ahead and style it.